Okay, for my project, I went all out and did an enterprise solution for the company I work at, Water and Sewage Authority of Trinidad and Tobago. Alright, so you can see that all these different circles here represent different water treatment plants. And if we zoom in a little closer, you get to see a little more information. So it currently shows like the inflow and mean pressure that's going out to customers. So when we click on it, we see more detailed information, and this is live information coming in here now. So this is basically a live GIS software solution. When we click more details, it takes you to the plant. You could see more a drill down of more live data. Okay, then infrastructures. Now these are mainly information that's being stored in databases that could be used for more useful applications later on. But one thing I wanted to show is the current issues part here. So a person who controls one of the plants could come in here now and could create an issue. Let's say a plant is down due to power failure. Right, and it estimates to be down for 5 hours. Let's say this is a critical alert since the plant is being out. So when they click submit, you immediately see feedback here. And if you go to the map view, and click on Cora, you see it shows up here. Okay.